Risk-based approach, RBA. Implementing a risk-based approach, RBA, in AML-CFT compliance. A risk-based approach, RBA, is a fundamental element in the effective implementation of anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-financing of terrorism, CFT, legislation. It requires financial institutions, FIs, to identify, assess, and understand the money laundering, ML, and terrorism financing, TF, risks they face, and to implement the most appropriate measures to mitigate those risks. The following key points outline the importance and application of an RBA. 1. Understanding and assessing MLTF risks. Legal foundation. According to Article 16.1 of the AML-CFT law and Articles 4.1-3 of the AML-CFT decision, FIs are required to continuously identify and assess the risks of MLTF within the scope of their operations. Tailored approach. An RBA requires FIs to tailor their systems and controls to match the specific MLTF risks they face, which vary based on factors such as the nature, size, and complexity of their business. 2. Effective resource allocation. Risk mitigation. By understanding their MLTF risks, FIs can allocate resources more effectively, focusing efforts on higher-risk areas. This includes enhanced due diligence for high-risk scenarios and simplified due diligence where risks are lower, unless there is suspicion of MLTF. National and sectoral risks. FIs should also consider national risks, sector-specific risks, and other factors such as customer profiles, products and services, geographic regions, and delivery channels in their risk assessments. 3. Proportional risk mitigation. Reasonable measures. While the RBA allows for flexibility, it does not permit FIs to ignore certain MLTF risks. FIs must take reasonable and proportionate measures to mitigate all identified risks, even those assessed as low. Continuous risk management. The RBA requires ongoing assessment and updating of risk management practices to ensure they remain effective and relevant. 4. Statutory obligations. Inherent risks. FIs are legally obligated to identify and understand the inherent MLTF risks associated with their customers, products, services, transactions, and geographic areas. Compliance requirements. They must apply AML-CFT measures that are appropriate to the level of risk identified, ensuring compliance with statutory obligations at all times. 5. Conducting business risk assessments. Risk prioritization. Conducting thorough business risk assessments helps FIs understand their exposure to MLTF risks and prioritize areas that require more stringent AML-CFT measures. Customized strategies. The extent of risks identified may necessitate varying levels of resources and customized mitigation strategies, ensuring that the FI's approach is aligned with the specific risks they face.